bum ba da ba ba da bum bum ba da ba ba da 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 bum 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 ba da ba bum bum ba ba da ba bum. Oh my God! Why are you doing this? What is the point? A Jerusalem slide? Go ahead. Go. Oh, really exciting.
Ah, it's cold.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
We'll take it. I want to climb that up that thing.
You could like go up to the top. That would look really cool. Am I like?
Go.
I'm trying. How do you do this? How?
With legs and arms. We need to go in like 3 minutes.
3?
Try me, Newton.
Hello. There.
Wonderful.
I know, right? Stop it. I need to come down the side. Whoa, look at this. This is fantastic.
I'm trying to come up. Ah!
No, let me hold the camera.
Look at this.
My foot is stuck.
It's like, I don't even know how they expect people to climb up this side. So you go down this side like this. Take it. Whoa.
So you go on the side like this. Well, what is this?
It's a big pile of shit.
It looks like a big pile of dinosaur shit. That's right. Middleton.
Should I get in the cage?
Yes, get in the cage.
Middleton High School has the one and only
Oh my God.
dinosaur shit playset in all of Wisconsin. Ow, my hand.
Oh my head.
No, you're not allowed to come out. Oh yeah, this is really entertaining.
Bye. My nose. Okay, we need to go.
Okay. Bye.